Kellie Harrington, okay, so it's not a title fight for her, she already has that in the pocket, but an international bout against a quality, I think the consensus is quality opposition tonight.
Jelena has fought Katie Taylor before, this opponent, but the problem is we couldn't get anyone in Ireland to fight Kellie Harrington. She's at that level now, she's above everyone else, you know. So she would have got a walkover. Great that they have to get this girl from Sweden over to fight Kellie. Kellie is a fantastic and amazing human being, first and foremost. She loves boxing, she wants to be the best, she is the best in the world at the moment. We can see her going out to Tokyo and winning the gold medal if all our stars are aligned. She's that special. So tonight it's great to have her fighting here in Dublin. She's a real Dublin girl, and it's a great exposure for our home fans. You know, she's a fantastic talent.
And this is her first bout since she won the world title, which she said she was really nervous about. Split decisions, she said, had never gone her way. It didn't that particular day. Does that mean that she's a more confident fighter? Is that what we want to see out of her this evening?
Yeah, I don't know if we need to see that this evening. This is a chance for us to show our appreciation to her, that she went abroad and she won the world title. But when you win a world title, it elevates you in your own self-esteem and your own estimation of yourself, and that will elevate you as a boxer too. So I think even though she's come to a world title and she's world champion, she will improve and show improvements as she goes on.
All right, Keimid Ling. Okay, Johan, Chutza.
Yeah, Aideen Floyd and Rachel and Chagas Kellie Harrington on slow and show that it could fall to meet the front. Agus could fall to meet the fashion why ban a Serbia a Fredjan Guntulan shin Jelena Jelic. Mashin Tashavan Shaw champion and down when we just saw the Tuspon to Zinter why Kelly or no you Hollywood Jelic can't learn the Schachtene Duchi Freddy Katie Taylor Kuplower Duchi go Lord on Vanny Katie Taylor ach come skill eta Kellie Harrington. Well, ta Kelly Gama, Kashi Fanocht Game made ta Junta Katie Taylor, but you remain a Hanriab as Aiden. No, some team shag down, made ta Junta Katie Taylor, or Nolly, because need to them in the arenas. I should rain, Shagas Tasha the Darnall, and Shaw, son gate Bauta and Shaw, Agas Gandhada Atrofos, ni Comartus to spawn to Session. No exhibition in the kill. But she had a long read Legs Bavra, Le Ban Serbia, Hachten Show. August, Champagne and down. A Khudra Cossa, also could a Munted Hain on Shaw and Blockley. August are no Kellie Harrington, Blockley of Gusmir, Shears the Bloomta and Vancha. So, Kelly Marchen. Toigan Misha scored on Kelly contest on the Lord Clay in Shinkan and Jess Gujo. He scored on Chino on Falls. Yelik Toigan Ham. Because Mangadogadi in the Murft Lechele. Mangadogadi at Harrington. All paid all in by Harrington. The spawn to the unskilled shot. Unskilled special to Toy. He scored on the Chigas in Endagra at Tiertarash. We ban the Sherbe. Well, I know it has been a garu tira finish Mangal, Fluffy Olympic agus Buin, agus a Chudahort, and you hang each Ladina, then a Shinner Raw Wahain, Tashin Shaw, Intaka Bally, agus a Hachten Shaw, or near a end in a okay, can't go on to get a kinchin, near a end in a Kellie Harrington, a Troid, and Knock and Shaw, Sneed in the Nush, Scrad Ascent, Buddy, Renos. I went a lot of onion show. I guess get that Falky, no matter one Falky, son gate Wouter shot, Yagan Kelly Mahmoud on Dina, or no, yeah, getting go at a bid. A shinny on top on all in engine like Kelly Staplan. When she get a Staplan, Dina had found the flush on Chin. I guess the law of farm, the gay Shin, a toy Kelly. Ailing she Stacklish and Lord Play, Augustin Chin, Fechanishi, Fadden Shutter, Hashi and Lord Play, Augustin Chin, 3 Shin contest, scored on Chi Shigan Play, Beg on in Chin, Reached, scored on Chi, Agus with a one and Fanning Chi Sheeran Chin, Agus on Lord Play, Ahmad, Merachashi and Lord Yes, Shin Khan the town hooked into Darine. Late second day copy, some gate Wouter shot, Tashi Kun Gaba on. Jelic began in Jarag in for the throne, because team from the head, he down on his slow, down into Dan Oscar, more meats of Lodger, Fad Jäger, Isha, Kellie Harrington, Ilan Doubtway, Shinted, Bouta Heen and Chuck, Darnonil Lum Agoni. It's not an exhibition fight, Darren, and it's very nice of Jelena Jelic to come and fight Kellie Harrington.
Yeah, of course. It's fantastic, I think, for Irish people to see Kellie Harrington box at home, especially after winning the world title. You know, we heard a lot about her, but not a lot of people got to see the I suppose, performances. So to get to see her fight here in Dublin, and you know, to have an opponent come over and fight her is absolutely fantastic. And you know, it's no mean feat for an opponent to come over and fight a world champion in her own backyard.
What do you make of Kellie? What has she got that other boxers haven't got? Now, Jelena said during the week she wasn't as powerful as Katie.
Yeah, no, Kellie isn't, I suppose, a power puncher or a strong puncher, but she's very elusive. She's a swift hitter, and you know, she's very, very hard to pin down.
Yeah. The galore Omani Kilchunny agus canal switch hitters of being Tupshin Fashion Nation Gumon were the one. The Reynolds. Agus are no dimmer Darren O'Neill, dimmer Shaggy Kilchunny. Hashan Black and Amber were the one. A Bannoch Shalesh, Bait Gamach Coplacanag, Free Brian Cody, Berlish and Durnally. No Shincher Cody and Ruigan. Agus need in the shed doing your diva. Reynolds and thought about and shop. Agus Kellie Harrington, champion and down and shop. As Blockley, na Jelena Jelic, as and Ted, he said a lot of onion chuggers. Ganin Doug Bangaradi chin and Kelly, Baron Shearer, Kertestaff, Stoidum, could be all contest, Peter 3 keen, Katie Keen in it. I guess I missed Harrington the spawn, Kemp Hoggerby, Bejo Gui, champion and down in Chahi. In end out we come and Karameja, in cloth for a lord in Cha, on to know the should have yak for the back here. The thought about the shop. Madida, Tashi, on the Monkado, Agus, Baisa Gelic, Kekamagas Tashi, Nedves and Troid Shaw, Kati, Gelic, Tashi, Kulu Shearwood, Kulu Dasagunia, to Concession Chancer Noiga Harrington, Kano Terha, Chimachalog, Clegoni, Eric Garrett, Niboran score, Yadakudisha, son Mautasha, or the Pecanini, like him. That's the nine behind chief. That's got on Chilish. Get a hockey tell. Leave a second hockey's thought about Martian. The Shayed at East. I guess well, Hadin shot to be just a mind of under action by Kellie Harrington. Knee him. Yeah, talk. Agad even talk. Gramo what is there for Kang and the Sula and Chin and about the journal Honeywood and Chin of it's talking about fly stitches of the other Chin of Gursi Durnally because Titin had a mark of Hanish law no Penny Med Hornally more la raw Henry Cooper Fado or no the Sula the Sul unlock against the Shadow Goni like them. What is in Cha, I was Caracas second hockey, some thought about to kill go out on slow and Cha, Bid the Soul, go made the Gunyan of Harrington, with the other sheet, Tasha, Nismo Cosul, about to Tuspoutish, about the idea that Kelly, a goose side, a could skill in their fad, Agus score all, guard the Titimandos in the Soul in Chin. Stach agus amach, tá sí an scóráil de scóráil in sí, bíns a gúnaí, na tá sí an scóráil bid in sí a dhéala sí tíochtta stachan seo agus beganína chuiste second fácaí san dálabát an seo, dína chu maíomh, céitim dre chuise an dhéala cinnte, tá sí a gáardam, má lá an áine, tá sé an is, becar an siad amach lá an áine agus dhéala agus an plus sin a héitin fallán deara go deo, crachan siad lág le chéile ag an dire, sin dire le about a dó an sin. Out the door and chin agus well. Yeah, score on the yellow couple of contest and chin, Darren.
Yeah, I suppose we're seeing a little bit more about what I was just talking about there with Kellie. You know, see her fluid movement. She switches from southpaw to orthodox. Her head movement, you know, her well, very unorthodox in how she stands. Her hands are down, but it's very fluid and you know, quite a lot of movement in there. So it's very hard to pin her down, and she hits from very unorthodox angles.
Well, I hope we have boxing in the Olympics. I hope we had ladies boxing. It was all down to Katie Taylor, but she is, without a shadow of doubt, our best prospect.
Yeah, definitely. You know, she's obviously after proving on the world stage, but we'd love to see her compete in the Olympic Games. It'd be a dream for her.
Yeah. Marcin. Sieb about Kelly Richtemach an Orsha. Richtemach agus beidir go root an Cowardnelly. Come on, Kelly. Christos spontas an ish agus take him with you. A can na dáirnaí sin tágad tá nid meas gan go gáirnaí ag mar Darren O'Neill in sin an stíl seo ag an lábh híos ag Thas ag go múisí an Troid agus tá sé go múisí an Troid go má mar sin so sin lá an áine san tíomh bát an sin agus Jelic amantí ní gharta sí Harrington ag éon am tá sin tá sí bolisteach scólan sí cean deisteach an sin Stechan in gíochahfuil sí Jelic an uair sin Stechan in gíochahfuil sí agus deidir sí an cean sin cé go bhfuil gáir de cosanta ar nóir na marrá ar na cíocha Cahan gáir de cosanta cé go breanaí Jelic an méidir nach bhfuil mar an gáir de ceach sin scéile má lá an áine ríist inis agus Kellie Harrington leis an fábach leis an lád lééis sin scólan sí cean deis sin einstí lábh síos le a fánacht agus a fánacht a crál chhlaicin an stíl álainn sinnita aice a cratha áil timppel mar sin lá an áin ag scibéad tá fácín seo nóid go le fácií agus Kellie Harrington an seo agus í a grúchttar an Troid seo sí a grúchttar an Troid seo agus a grúchttar go héasca í lena dat faoi béidir mar cúpla focail agan le héis na troda mar is fiúil áit le agus fiúil áit le lá an áine mar sí champagne an daní is blach léach é agus tá muidir gap lá blach lé an stáid náisiúnta is fearr ó híh dornálacht a stílim go níide cearacha sé i chéad stáid náisiúnta san nórat sa dám beidir atóige well na sa dám mar bhí Madison Square Garden annach sa nórat agus tá seánna gcóna agus tá tradiisiún dámanta a bhaile coppla ceán deas an tear beding Jelic ar a freisin sí ghalisteach agus an tuspa gan íon dearagan sin leis ag Kellie Harrington nach ní mór an daríide a tarlú daríide tá sí dena dóhan a sí spáint de skillan de gáin agus amach an céad córic níos láide spánach sí tiile. Fithe cúg second fáci péidir deascóráil in Jinnic an Jelic ceanna eisiara ceart go leor ach ríist cean le ghalisteach an sin agus an sí bhachal lád lééis an stíirtá get ábéan sin tí dean sin ar berin sé Jelic tíocht amach am an tíocht gotí fíor geide nó troda seo agus ceanálan bhid Kellie Harrington ceanálan isteach an sin díireach anád an maithis a scóráil sé agus a besta gáirí le chéile agus atá takeíocht á chéile níl dat faoi an sin agus well slóan seo ansásta leis an tuspáilta sin níl dat faoi agus tá agin go mbeidh bua ag Kellie Harrington níl dat faoi sin chorbe agus dat faoi sin chorbe bei an bua agus réitear in sin lá an áine na ní flaid agus tá sé sin sin agus féin jobbacha sin a lá a chrocha. Ní dánam go bheith ben na seirbe go mé sí ró hí hásta le héin chorbe. Darren bu éasca just bhrámen nach rá bhí rud a cinnta nasnam sa Troid sin.
She wasn't under too much pressure, to be fair. You know, it was a relatively easy win, but I mean, it's nice for her to get the run out, as I say, in Ireland. And against an international opponent, obviously, adds a little bit more to a little bit more class. And you know, you want to try their best to be fair to her.
It means an awful lot to the crowd here in Dublin.
Yeah, of course.
Watching TG4.
Exactly. I mean, it's a world champion. It's very rarely we get that. She's smiling up and down us there, but
she is.
Yeah.
She's a big smiler. Is Colleen all and he's Colleen on Desi. Nilaine Book. Yeah. Nilaine Bokalik and Nilaine Rashkek. No, Tada.
Kellie, congratulations. Must be a lovely night to come back and fight here at home after your World Championship win. It must be a special night to come back.
Yeah, it's brilliant. I'm just delighted that the IABA took someone in for me to be able to fight here tonight. This is where everybody wants to be on a night like this. It's in the finals of the National Elite Championships. It doesn't get any better than this. The atmosphere here is just brilliant. And to be surrounded by other great people, it's fantastic. But credit to Helena where credit is due. She's fantastic. A fighter, a great warrior, and I'm just glad that she come over for the fight.
Yeah, well, like, so we're all delighted to have you here, Kellie, and great for the Irish public to see you here. What's next for Kellie Harrington? What's the next couple of months, and what do we have in store for you?
Probably a pizza or a burger on the way home.
Well deserved. Kellie Harrington, champion of the world. Thanks very much.
Thank you. Thanks, Millie.
Yeah. Tá Kellie Dedal rudder bihar vale ag buinte seo, and I suppose having stood Andy in Katie Taylor's shadow for so long, to finally have now her world title at age 28 now, teeing herself up for a cut at the Olympics, she's deserving of it.
Yeah, she's I wouldn't say tall, she's been very successful, but she's always had to box out of her own weight division, you know, at 64 kilos, because Katie was always there, number one. Katie turned pro, she moved to 60 kilos, and you can see what she's already done. So who knows what she would have achieved if Katie Taylor was never around, you know, that kind of way.